Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a GitHub webhook and automatically send the repository events to another applications. So first of all, simply come here on github.com, then make sure that you sign in into your account first if you haven't already. Now over here on the dashboard of GitHub, you are going to see the repositories that you have created in the left hand side. So you just have to simply select that particular repository where you want to create the webhook. So I have only this one, so I'm just going to simply click on it. Now when you are inside the repository, by default you will be in the codes tab, but I want you to click on the option of the settings tab here on the top. Now in the settings you are going to see the option of webhooks, so simply just click on it. Now here click on the option of add webhook. Now after clicking on this particular option, you will be shown the option of payload URL. So over here you need to enter the URL of the application or the server that should receive GitHub's webhook notifications. For the content type, you can select the application/JSON so that the GitHub sends the event data as JSON. Now over here under secret, you can just simply enter a random secret. This is going to help you receiving the application verify that the webhook request actually came from GitHub. Now here you will also find the option that says which event would you like to trigger this webhook. So over here you need to choose the event that you need. For example, you can choose the option of just the push event if you only want notifications when the code is pushed to the repository. Now make sure that the active is also selected here. So once you fill out all these details, simply click on the option of add webhook here in the bottom. After you create it, GitHub automatically going to send a ping event to check that the webhook configuration was added successfully. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.